How many amazing features did we manage to fit inside the T-fal OptiGrill? Let's take a closer look. 6 different automatic cooking programs. Just select hamburger, poultry, sandwich, pork, red meat, or seafood to grill nearly anything to absolute perfection with little work from you. And don't forget, use any of the automatic programs with the snowflake button to cook directly from frozen. Like your steak a little more rare than the rest of the family? Handy color codes make it easy to pull individual servings off when they've reached the desired doneness. Yellow for rare, orange for medium, and red for well done. Automated sensors know exactly how thick your food is and adjust cooking time based on size, ensuring each meal is cooked to absolute perfection every single time. Want to make something that's not on the list like grilled vegetables? Set the OptiGrill to manual mode and get creative. Beautiful grill marks show the sear that locks in moisture, keeping your meats tender and juicy, all while fat drains away into the drip tray. No additional oils are required for cooking, so you'll eat healthier with the OptiGrill without any extra effort. It's so easy, it's completely foolproof. The OptiGrill's non-stick removable grill plates make clean up a snap. Wait until they're cool, then rinse with water or wipe down with a damp cloth. They'll even fit right into your dishwasher. And since they're made by T-fal, you'll get the quality construction materials you've come to expect. So never burn or waste a steak again. Get perfectly grilled, healthier, tastier meals with the T-fal OptiGrill.